This is my last online course video, and I'll clarify some of the terms on the first page of your metabolomics test and conclude with how to use your supplement protocols. Each of your functional imbalance categories are scored from 0, the best, to 10, the worst. It would take too long for me to review each test result, so I'll give you the broad brushstrokes to understand some of this medical jargon. The first category, called oxidative stress, shows your balance between reactive oxygen species, which are bad, and antioxidants, which are good. Let's take a look at the difference between antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, because these terms are often confused. Inflammation is a larger, broader process that can be caused by oxidative stress, or emotional stress, or a mechanical stress like arthritis or a cut or infection. And inflammation is seen and felt by redness, swelling, and pain, and it can be localized or widespread. We measure your widespread inflammation by testing C-reactive protein, or CRP, in your blood, which should be less than 2. Infections can shoot CRP over 100 acutely, and it's fairly common to have chronic, low-grade inflammation with a CRP always in the high single digits. But chronic low-grade inflammation is bad, and there's actually a new term for it called inflammaging in longevity studies. Looking back at oxidative stress, we also look at your myeloperoxidase, which should be less than 470. It's normal for your myeloperoxidase to be above 100 because reactive oxygen species are a natural byproduct of mitochondrial metabolism. However, too much reactive oxygen species from smoking, drinking, or ultra-processed foods can overwhelm your antioxidants from food and supplements. Examples of antioxidants are vitamin C in citrus fruits and glutathione in green leafy vegetables. So that's the difference between antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. The last category, called methylation imbalance, requires some clarification before we get into supplement protocols because it's not a common term. Methylation attaches and unattaches a methyl or carbon group to another molecule like your DNA or proteins to turn them more on or off. It's happening in you trillions of times per second, so it's critical to healthy cells and organs. We combine this methylation imbalance score and your homocysteine level to determine how well you're methylating. And that will help determine your supplement protocol. Let's finish my online course videos with how you can implement your priming, detox, and maintenance phases of supplements in your Biobi health plan, which is built from your precision testing and medical history, so yours may not be safe for another person. Each of the 3 phases is 1 month, so you can do up to quarterly cycles. Your priming month is preparing your cells and organs with vitamins, minerals, and supplements for your detox month. Note that I use the term detox or detoxification quite broadly to include traditional liver detox, as well as detox for your gut, mitochondria, methylation, and other metabolic pathways. Then your maintenance month is getting your supplements down to the lowest effective doses. We rinse and repeat this process to continuously refine and optimize your Biobi health plan over time. We'll send you detailed supplement recommendations with the brand, dosage, timing, and which of the 3 phases to take them in. Most supplements will be continuous, which I'll label as all 3 phases. We'll also send you an invite to our supplement distributor, Fullscript, for home delivery. There's free delivery for orders over $150. As a Canadian doctor, I can't profit from prescriptions or supplements, so you get the full 25% provider discount and can choose to purchase at your local, nearby health food store if you wish. Keep in mind that supplement quality, just like food quality, is important. And that's our nutrition and weight optimization program. Just do the test, watch the videos, and join Slack, and consult with me at around the 2-month mark. Then do the follow-up tests at around the 4-month mark and consult with me again at the 5-month mark. All of your results and reports will be emailed to you and available on your area electronic health record portal where our online consults take place. I'm excited for you to start this journey, and I look forward to meeting you in a few months.